So the Smith squat. Now the first thing we're going to think about is the bar positioning. We want it just below the neck on the top of the traps. Now your hand positioning is going to be where you find comfortable. If it's going to be a little bit more wider, that's fine. If it's going to be a little bit more narrower, that's fine also. Then we want to be thinking of our foot position. Now we don't want to be too far forward and we don't want it too far back. So we want it just in front of the bar. And where is comfortable? We want it about hip width, so the toes are going to be pointing out slightly. Now Lee's going to perform the movement, slowly coming down. And we're thinking of driving the hips back, but also driving the knees forward. We're distributing our weight slowly. And again, nice and slow on the way down. And then we're thinking of driving hard into the floor with our heels and keeping that upright position. Strong, neutral spine, slowly, and then driving hard through the feet.